Hi students, St. Bergman's Higher Secondary School, the Center of Excellence and Enrichment, welcomes you to the Communicative English class. Today, we are going to entertain ourselves by learning how to narrate an event or a story. A narrative is an art of speaking or writing that envisages an event or a story. It can be told or written to motivate, educate, or to entertain the listener and reader. A narration can be both factual and fictional. Now let us learn about the structures of a narrative. It includes characters, settings, conflict, climax, and resolution or conclusion. Let us go through these in detail. What is a character? A character is anything that performs an action or speaks the dialogue in the story or event. For example, Ben was talking over the phone and said, "Hello, the panda is playing." Here, Ben and panda are characters. The characters are names such as moon, Arjun, dog, tree, crow, etc. Now keep in your mind that describing a character also includes appearance and behavior. Appearance of a character can be described with words such as beauty, black, fair, dark, whitish, brown, ugly, cruel, hilarious, hunchback, on out, and so on. It means that how a character appears physically. Now let's say costumes. The dress a character wears, such as suit, pajama, skirt, shirt, casual wears, pants, or shabby dress, etc. Then the values of a character revealed such as honesty, hardworking, gentle, generous, etc. Now, don't forget to add the profession, such as carpenter, teacher, doctors, police, and so on. The second aspect regarding narration is its setting. What is a setting? A setting is the location and time of the story. It can be imaginative or real. A setting can change throughout the story. It includes places or landscape such as villages, cities, towns, fields, forests, meadow, sky. These are outer space. And the inner space such as room, house, attic, warehouse, and etc. Equipments or furniture such as stick, knife, pen, book. Antiques, steel, golden, wooden, and so on. The next is the theme. What is a theme? It is a content discussed. It is a content discussed in the story. There can be different events or experiences and thoughts of characters. It builds up the story. Then we need to make use of the conflicts. What is a conflict? A conflict in a story is the problem or complication that reflects the settings or characters. For example, my teacher pushed me in anger as I didn't do my homework. This is a serious problem in the story. It can be lead to many unexpected events. Most twisting stage of structure of a narrative is its climax. And what is a climax? A climax is the part of the story where the action reaches at its peak. For example, my teacher is about to contact my parents and I was standing there hopeless. This is a part of the story where the problem is added to its peak. The fear, tension, care, etc. of a student and a teacher. What's next? All tend to ask. At the end, the resolution. What is the resolution? The resolution is the conclusion of the story, where the problem is solved. Find and present the solution. For example, suddenly the bell rang and the class was dismissed. I quickly walked through the exit and I just escaped from being prosecuted or punished. This is a part of the story wherein we see how problem is solved. I hope you have gone through the imaginative world to experience the event in reality through this narration. Thank you. Let's meet again in the next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.